Visualization relaxation is an effective way to relax the mind and body by picturing a relaxing scene, such as a beach, garden, meadow, or any other peaceful place. This beach visualization guides you to relax by imagining spending time on a beautiful beach. Get comfortable. Sit in a supportive chair or lie on your back. Relax your body by releasing any areas of tension. Allow your arms to go limp, then your legs. Feel your arms and legs becoming loose and relaxed. Now relax your neck and back by relaxing your spine. Release the hold of your muscles all the way from your head, down your neck, along each vertebra to the tip of your spine. Breathe deeply into your diaphragm, drawing air fully into your lungs. And release the air with a whooshing sound. Breathe in again, slowly. Pause for a moment and breathe out. Draw a deep breath in and out. In, out. Become more and more relaxed with each breath. Feel your body giving up all the tension, becoming relaxed and calm, peaceful. Feel a wave of relaxation flow from the soles of your feet to your ankles, lower legs, hips, pelvic area, abdomen, chest, back, hands, lower arms, elbows, upper arms, shoulders, back of your head, face, and the top of your head. Allow your entire body to rest heavily on the surface where you sit or lie. Now that your body is fully relaxed, allow the visualization, relaxation to begin. Imagine you are walking toward the ocean, walking through a beautiful tropical forest. You can hear the waves up ahead. You can smell the ocean spray. The air is moist and warm. Feel a pleasant, cool breeze blowing through the trees. You walk along a path, coming closer to the sea. As you come to the edge of the trees, you see the brilliant aqua color of the ocean ahead. You walk out of the forest and onto a long stretch of white sand. The sand is very soft powder. Imagine taking off your shoes and walking through the hot, white sand toward the water. The beach is wide and long. Hear the waves crashing to the shore. Smell the clean salt water and beach. You gaze again toward the water. It is a bright blue-green. See the waves washing up onto the sand and receding back toward the ocean, washing up and flowing back down. Enjoy the ever-repeating rhythm of the waves. Imagine yourself walking toward the water, over the fine, hot sand. You are feeling very hot. As you approach the water, you can feel the mist from the ocean on your skin. You walk closer to the waves and feel the sand becoming wet. A wave washes over the sand toward you and touches your toes before receding. As you step forward, more waves wash over your feet. Feel the cool water provide relief from the heat. Walk further into the clear, clean water. You can see the white sand under the water. The water is a pleasant, relaxing temperature, providing relief from the hot sun. Cool, but not cold. You walk further into the water if you wish. Swim if you want to. Enjoy the ocean for a few minutes. Allow the visualization, relaxation to deepen. More and more relaxed. Enjoy the ocean. Now, you are feeling calm and refreshed. Now, you are feeling calm and refreshed. You walk back out of the water and onto the beach. Stroll along the beach at the water's edge, free of worries, no stress, calm, enjoying this holiday. Up ahead is a comfortable lounge chair and towel just for you. Sit or lie down in the chair or spread the towel on the sand. Open your eyes, stretch your muscles, and become fully alert, refreshed, and filled with energy.